this is Sophia in LA. Those who've been watching my channel for a while, welcome back. If you're new to my channel, let me introduce myself a little bit. I'm living in LA. I've been doing YouTube for 9 years now. I'm really thankful for Adore Me to include over 50 YouTubers into their try-on haul. I included my daughters to pick one of their favorite styles from new collection. While we were adding the products into our carts and online, it was really nice because there was buy 2 get 1 free deal. So we bought more than 6, got 2 free. I eventually ordered 9 items. It came day before yesterday. I'm gonna open a box and then I'm gonna do some try on, which I don't do very often in my channel other than the makeup. It's gonna be a fun video. I'm gonna put the link down below that you can get a first set free at Adore Me shopping. Please give a thumbs up to this video and subscribe to my channel, and let's open the box. Adore Me, wherever you want to do in our lingerie, we support you. Here for it. Actually, this is not my first order from Adore Me. I ordered before the underwear that I'm wearing. It's really nice because the back is V-shaped and the front is also very comfortable, no wire. They have like 3 different types of a bra, with the wire, without the wire, without the pad as well. This has a little bit of pads, but it's very comfortable. When you have a clothing that you don't want your bra strap to show, then this is a perfect bra for outdoor activities like sports as well as everyday life. I got black, but it's like a dark gray. This is underwear actually. I haven't used it yet, so it's clean one. It has a regular style like this one, and also something like this. This is a T-shape that you can wear under your fitness, leggings. Support band on the waist. It's cotton, so I really like it. Last time I purchased this as well, which is a very cute undie, which I haven't worn it yet. The hip line is really pretty, lacy, and I'm really enjoying my PJ from last order, which I let my daughter do a little bit of TikTok. When I went to her place in Santa Cruz, she ordered her green big hoodie and the sweatpants, and I ordered the PJ, and I'm loving it. This could be something like that, which will be a cute and comfortable. This is really cute because it's randomly cut. It's not seamed on the bottom, so it looks very casual and very comfy. The model was wearing the front part tied up in the front, so I'm gonna try that too. Most of the PJs they have looks very comfy, and they sell it as a set. It's a navy blue and it's a really easy fit. It's gonna be really comfortable. I usually don't wear something is too revealing, but I really like the pants, so I chose this. It has a band on the waist, and also I can tie it up. It gets more secure in the waist, and as you can see, the leg has a slit up to about knee high, maybe over knee, and it has a band on the bottom, so it looks like a little jeans, pants. And even though it's a long pants, the air is gonna flow in nicely, so it's gonna be cool. The material itself is not a hot material. It's gonna make me cool during the hot season, so I think this is a really good buy 2 and get 1 free. So third one is free. My older daughter Ashley, she chose this. This is a pants. It's a summer PJ. It's almost same material as the previous one. Frill end in the bottom and really cute, and it just loosen up. And the top is cuter, I think, because it has a little lace on the top and bottom set. Fourth item is what Olivia chose. This is called Primrose, a lacy lingerie type of PJ. It's cotton. It has an adjustable strap in the back, and it has a very cute lace, and also here has a little lace on the both sides, which is not boring. It looks really cute. Actually, what I'm wearing right now is also from Adore Me. It's a high-waisted and full-length pants. If I'm gonna buy next time the similar style, I will pick X small instead of small because it gets a little wrinkly and has a little loose, areas here and there, which the yoga pants are not supposed to be like that. It should be really fitted to support your body. Before I really getting into these pants, I bought another size small. It's 7/8 length, so it's not a full length up to the ankle. When I go to my bar class, I need something like this that go down below the knee point, so it's long enough. And these days it's getting a little hot, so I don't want it to go all the way down to the ankle. So I think this would be nice, so I'm gonna see about that. The next item is what I picked. This is also a PJ. Let me show you the top first. It's loose fit. I can pull the string a little bit to make it a little bit, stylish on the sleeve side. This didn't have an X small. I chose small instead of X small. By looking at it like this, it's gonna fit nicely. The next two items, I think you can wear it as like swimsuit, and also you can wear it as an outfit, work as your top, and just wear like pants or skirts on top of it. A lot of revealing for me. I'll try. So I don't know if it's gonna fit, but if it doesn't, then I'm gonna let my daughter try it. Ashley, she's pretty skinny these days. And the next one is a lane contour. Your neck is coming here off one shoulder and has a two strap in the right side. It's really cute. Oh, it's made out of the recycled nylon fiber. It's a good material they chose, and I really like this. The last item from the box is the thing that I showed you in the beginning. T underwear, which is thong, and it's cotton, very supportive because it has a wider band on the waist. So total of my order was $419.55. Buy two and get one free. Worked for two free items, so $99.90 were free. Total came out to be a $350.02. So if you're ready to hop on to Adore Me, find the link down below and you will get the welcome set free. And lastly, I really wanted to mention I appreciate Adore Me for sponsoring this video. I would love to continue supporting Adore Me and brands like this who are very inclusive to all the women regardless of the size, color, and age. Don't forget to give a thumbs up to this video. Thanks for watching, and see you next time. Bye!